the viewers. Welcome to another biology presentation. So in this presentation, we are going to answer a question that came in biology paper 2 for 2022 internal. Okay. So the question reads: Figure 5 shows blood group phenotype for a mother and her 2 children. So here we have the father and the mother. So the blood group of the father was unknown, and the blood group of the mother was blood group what? A. So this couple had a son and a daughter. So the son had blood group O and the daughter had blood group B. So question A, from figure 5, deduce the genotypes for the father and the mother. So in order for us to be able to deduce the genotype of the father and the mother, we are going to look at the genotypes of the offsprings. So the son had blood group O. So if this son had blood group O, it means the son has blood group OO. And the daughter had blood group B. This means the daughter can either be BO or BB. This is the same. Okay. Then for the mother, can either be AA or AO. Okay. So looking at the offsprings, it will tell us that the mother will have either one of these. Now, looking at the son had blood group O and the daughter had blood group AB. B. So for this son to have blood group O, it means the son had to inherit O from the father, another O from the mother. So possibly we know that the father is going to have an O in his genotype. Now, for them to have the daughter who had blood group B, okay? For them to have a daughter who had blood group B, remember the mother is blood group A. So this B didn't come from the mother, but it came from the father. So hence, the father had blood group BO. So here we are saying the father had blood group BO and the mother had blood group A, or because she contributed O to the son. Okay, so this is our answer. This is our question B. Question B reads: the daughter got married and had a child with blood group AB. What was the blood group phenotype of the husband? So here, this daughter who had blood group what? B. Okay, got married and had a child with blood group AB. So they want us to identify or to state the blood group phenotype of the husband. So what was the blood group phenotype of the husband? So remember, this daughter had blood group B. Okay, and the parents had blood group BO, the father, and the mother blood group AO. So this daughter, she got the B from the father, okay, and the O. So the daughter had blood group what? BO. So for this daughter who had blood group BO and got married to the person, okay, and they had a child who had blood group AB. So it means that the person that this daughter got married to, okay, so the child got the B from the mother. This A was gotten from the father. So the father, since they are talking about phenotype, so the father had blood group. We can say the father had blood group A. You have just said that the blood group phenotype of the husband was blood group A. So our question B reads: the father divorced the wife and married another woman with blood group B, and their first child had blood group O. With the help of a genetic diagram, explain how this was possible. So here we are going to explain with the help of the genetic diagram. So first thing, we need to identify the blood group of the father and the blood group of the mother. So to draw our genetic diagram, first the father divorced the wife and married another woman with blood group B, and their first child had blood group O. So here, first thing, we are going to write the parental phenotype. So the parental phenotype, since we are looking at the father and the mother, So if you recall, they are the child who had blood group O. Okay, they are the child who had blood group O, meaning that this child got the O gene from the mother, another O gene from the father. So meaning that both of these parents should have the O gene in their blood group genotypes. Okay, so if you remember earlier on, we did deduce the genotype of the father. So the genotype of the father, we did mention that it was blood group B. Okay, it was blood group B crossed with blood group crossed with blood group. Remember, they have told us that married another woman with blood group O. So I've said even the woman should have the O gene. So even this one was blood group B. So from the parental phenotype, we are now going to write the parental genotype. So we are going to write the parental genotype. So under the parental genotype, we are going to have this one, blood group B, will be written like this, BO. Then this one also BO. Then from there, we are going to have the gametes. So don't forget these steps. The moment you forget them, you are not going to score marks. So these gametes, we just separate them. BO. Again, we have BO. Okay. So from there, excuse me, let us now do the crossing. So from there, what are we going to have? So from there, we can do our crossing. Can have this crossed with this. We have BB, this crossed with this. We have BO, this crossed with this. We have BO. Then this crossed with this. We have OO. So we can see that here there is a child who had the blood group O. So here we are going to write F1 offspring, F1 offspring genotype. So due to space, I will write it down here. Okay. Then we are also going to have F1 offspring phenotype. So the F1 offspring phenotype, this will be deduced from the genotype. So this one, BB, meaning that blood group what? B, BO, even this one is blood group what? Even this one is blood group B. Even this one is blood group B. Okay. Then the last child was the blood group O. Okay. Blood group O. So this was the F1 offspring phenotype. So from here we can conclude that we have the ratio. How many children with blood group B? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 to 1. Okay. So this is how we can answer this question.